So this is our spring onions with eggs with fried rice. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan, magpa-fried rice tayo. For today's video, magsasangag tayo ng rice. Magpa-fried rice tayo with eggs and onions. Ayan. So ito yung ating... So ayan, nilagyan natin yung bawang. Sure. At saka rice. Magpa-fried rice tayo. So ayan, late wake up tayo today kasi nga masakit ang ulo ko. I'm not feeling well. So ayan, there's black meat here. So rice muna tayo. So ito yung gagawin natin, mag-iodize ko tayo. I'm not feeling well mga nuts. I feel today. So I want to eat rice today, breakfast. Kasi dito yung gamit ko. So ayan. I use a little amount of oil. Para hindi siya ma-oil. Kasi ayaw ko ng fried rice na ma-oil. Lalagay tayo ng kunting seasoning. Ito lang kasi yung nilawag ko. So, lagay tayo ng egg. Ha? Hindi, pinapalakad ko lang yan para magatid ng ano doon para exercise. Kasi kita daw paano lang? Ano tinala mong net? Ayan na yata yung basa pa yung hawak mo eh. Ay, pwede na lang yung ano. This is ito. Onion, spring onions. Ayan, nilalagay natin after na nakook na yung ating fried rice. So, ayan. Malapit na. Tapos, spring onions. So, this is our spring onions with eggs with fried rice. So, yun guys, thank you so much for watching. Ayan, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to click the bell button. So, ayan. Thank you so much sa mga bago na subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye. Ano yung malaking trapal mo?